Good evening, everyone. It's our second lecture about the short and long sound of E. So, here is my very cute student. Okay, Prem, introduce yourself. What is your name?
My name is
In which class do you read?
I
Yes, very nice. Okay, what is. Can you say the spellings of your name?
P R
E.
P R E
Prem, very nice. Prem, you have a very nice name. Okay, read out these words with sounds.
B E
E. Short sound of E is E. B.
B
E.
T
D.
B
Bed. Very good.
B E B
S. What is the sound of S? S. E.
E
T.
Set
Set. S. E.
C
Very good.
D E
E. Prem, short E.
E
L. Del.
Del D E D E
Deal. Very good.
L
E.
D
Lead.
Let L E D
Lead. Very good. Clap for him. Okay, Prem.